Hello, today is Friday, February 23rd, and you're watching Tiger Vision News. I'm Tristan.
And I'm Kooper.
And TVN starts right now. We will not be in school this Monday, February 26th.
Our teachers will be having a professional development day.
Noah had the opportunity to learn more about what the teachers do on their professional days. Noah?
February 26th will be Professional Day, a day which allows us to recognize the hard work and effort that teachers and administrators put into our schools and allows them to participate in professional development and work on preparing for the upcoming trimester.
I finish grading papers and make sure I have all the grades in the computer, and then I get things ready for the next try, seating charts and curriculum and just things in place for when the kids come back after the break that they'll be ready to go.
Remember, we will not be in school on this day. This has been Noah Jorgensen reporting for Tiger Vision News.
You know, the teachers really do put in a lot of work that often goes unseen by their students.
They really do. In other news, Teens for Christ and FCA will be meeting in the old gym today at lunch. Jack Ludwig will be speaking. Please bring your lunch and join us.
Some of the buildings in the school district now have support dogs available for students.
Let's go to Lauren for more info.
There are some new faces in Fort Gibson Public Schools, but this time they're not students, they're service dogs.
Hi, this is Abella. She is a 2-year-old Chesapeake Bay Retriever mix. We got her from the Puppies for Parole program in Missouri, and she is our intermediate therapy dog. So when we have kids that have some problems or are going to the counselor or upset, she lets them pet her. She calms the kids down and relax in situations depending on if they're upset about their home life or things like that. It's just a dog always makes everyone feel better.
Our dog's name is Annie, and she is 9 months old. She came from the Puppies for Parole program in Missouri, and she stays with our class the majority of the day. She arrives here in the morning, and if our kids are lucky, she's here when they get here, because the kids really like to be greeted by the dog in the morning. If you can imagine, most of our kids, they have been with me since they're freshmen. Some of them are seniors now, and they like to be greeted by the dog instead of by me every morning. We also bring her to adaptive PE class with us, and it kind of keeps the kids more active. The kids are kind of like me. We don't like to exercise a lot, so the dog keeps us busy when we're trying to exercise. If she sees that a kid isn't liking to participate, she will actually go and get her ball and take it to a kid. If they haven't been participating in a while, she'll go drop it at their feet and let them do it. So she's also found that certain kids don't like to do things, and so she tries to get them involved. And if she sees that one of them is having a really hard day, maybe they're having an emotional day, she will try to go over and try to calm them down. So Annie's just a really big help in our classroom in several ways.
Having Bella and Annie in our classrooms will definitely improve our students' days. Plus, they're super cute. This is Lauren Wilcox reporting for Tiger Vision News.
It really is great to see the therapy dog program implemented into our schools.
Yes, it is. It's also pretty cool that there's a program in place for inmates to train the dogs that have been rescued from shelters. It's giving both of them a new purpose.
It really is. The 2018 campaign for Pennies for Patients has concluded. First place went to Miss Fritchie's alternative education class. Congratulations to them.
Senior interviews will take place during second hour on Wednesday, February 28th. Seniors, make sure that you show up on time to the student union, dress nicely, and have a copy of your resume ready. These interviews are required for your graduation portfolio, so do not be absent.
I won't even lie, I'm a little bit nervous.
Well, good luck to you.
Thank you. Now let's go to Noah for this week's episode of Riddle Me This.
Schools teach us that intelligence is measured by how well we do on tests, but I'm here to prove that intelligence is measured by how well you perceive a question. This is Riddle Me This.
You ready for a riddle?
Yep.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. What starts with T, ends with T, and has T in it? What starts with T, ends with T, and has T in it?
Teacup.
What starts with T, ends with T, and has T in it?
The letter T.
No. What starts with T, ends with T, and has T in it?
Tot. I don't know. Tart. Wait. I thought you were saying tart. Teapot. Teapot.
Yeah.
Teapot.
Teapot.
I ain't thinking about no teapots.
Teapot.
Oh. I told you. Tea kettle's the same thing.
It doesn't end with T. Teapot.
Dang it. I knew that. I've heard that before.
That's all the time I have for this week. See you next week on Tiger Vision News.
Noah's riddles can be so difficult yet so simple.
You were right about that. Congratulations to February Seniors of the Month, Hannah Hackworth and Sam Carter.
This week is National FFA Week. The Country Livestock Show begins this week, and we'd like to wish all our FFA show students the best.
Now, please join us for a moment of silence.
Would you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance to the American flag? Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
This broadcast is brought to you by Cornerstone Funeral Home and Crematory, Keith's Hardware and Supply, Renfro Electric, Fort Gibson Education Foundation, Info Media, Dr. Debbie Coy, The Tiger's Den, Mike Kooper Tractors, Fort Gibson State Bank, and Green Country Lanes and Muskogee Skate Center.
In the inaugural season of Fort Gibson's Bowling Club, your Lady Tigers finished 5th at regionals and had a great showing at the tournament last Saturday at Andy B's in Tulsa. After rolling 8 games, the Tigers qualified 2nd for bracket play. They beat Muskogee 3-0 in quarterfinals, defeated Jinx in the semifinals 3-1. The guys qualified for state after facing Union in the finals and bowling a total of 18 games in the Baker-style format tournament. They will be bowling for the gold tomorrow at 9 a.m. at Heritage Lanes in Oklahoma City. Great job to both teams and good luck at state.
Now let's go to Lauren for an update on the rest of this week's Tiger Sports.
Thanks, Kooper. Our Tigers basketball teams both claimed the district title last weekend. Regional games will begin tonight here at Fort Gibson after a statewide delay due to weather. Girls will play at 6 o'clock and boys at 8:30. Games will continue tomorrow and Monday. If you can't make it to the games, you can always watch them on FortGibsonTigers.tv. Don't miss it. 3 of our wrestlers qualified for state and will be in action tomorrow in OKC for state duels. We wish them the best as well. Soccer has kicked off their season and baseball has started scrimmages. Spring sports are underway even if it doesn't quite feel like spring yet. The second try comes to an end today and third try begins on Tuesday.
Next try is upon us, and with a new try comes new classes, new teachers, and new opportunities. Ask some teachers and students their thoughts on their classes next try.
Yes, actually, I'm really excited for my first hour, which is pre-AP biology, taught by Miss Cole. She's pretty cool. If you haven't tried her beet soup, you should definitely try it. It's actually really good. I actually enjoyed it. And then second hour, I have physical science with Friend. That'll be fun. And then Spanish 2B with Obregon. I hope he doesn't call me a jackknob again.
I'm so excited for next try. Yes, I am so excited for third try to start. I will be getting all of my babies back that I've missed all second try.
Hope the next try will go great for everybody. This is Whittman Abbott reporting for Tiger Vision News.
I'm so glad I got all my grades squared away by the end of the try.
Me too. Talk about a serious comeback.
The middle school and high school choir students participated in the OSSAA District Solo and Ensemble Contest last Saturday. The high school had 8 superior ratings and 4 excellent ratings.
The middle school had 4 superior ratings and 7 excellent ratings. The 8 high school students who received superior ratings will be going on to state competition in April. Great job.
The weather's been so crazy lately.
It really has. It feels like spring one day, and then we have a drop in temperature by 40 degrees the next. Let's go to Whitman to see what the next week has in store.
Today will be cloudy with few periods to light to moderate rain possible during the day, with a southern breeze expected. Morning lows will be in the 40s and afternoon highs will be in the low 50s. Tomorrow will be cloudy with a continued chance of rain and storms during the morning, but will be warming up to 70 by the afternoon. Sunday and into next week, the sun will return with highs into the 60s. It will start to feel more like spring. I'd like to thank Channel 6 for providing this week's weather graphics. Now a word from one of our sponsors.
If you're looking for some local entertainment, look no further than Green Country Lanes, located on South York Street in Muskogee, a prime place for open bowling, birthday parties, and glow bowling. Come on out to Green Country Lanes, where bowling is a sport for those who have talent to spare.
Don't forget, we will not be in school on Monday. Thanks for watching this week's episode of Tiger Vision News. I'm Kooper.
And I'm Tristan. Tune in next week for more Tiger Vision news.